Good morning, I'm Nashika, and this is chale.news for Tuesday, June 17th. A big one today. Ghanaians are literally sleeping in an open field in Durban while Ramaphosa talks. The World Bank just dropped $300 million to kill Double Track, and Thomas Partey is officially out. Court confirmed it. Let's get into it. We've been watching the xenophobia crisis, and it is not getting better. Thousands of displaced Africans, Ghanaians among them, are sleeping in an open field in Durban after armed vigilantes enforced a June 30th eviction deadline. President Ramaphosa gave a speech warning against scapegoating migrants for South Africa's 46% youth unemployment. Ghana's parliament and business groups are saying, fine, but we want prosecutions, not speeches. Full breakdown on chale.news. Now, for something that will matter to millions of families, the World Bank has approved $300 million for the STARR-J project, specifically to eliminate Ghana's double-track SHS system by 2027. Education Minister Haruna Idrisu is calling it a major investment in human capital. Parents, students, this one's for you. Thomas Partey will not play against Panama tomorrow. A Canadian federal court confirmed the ban, ruling he concealed UK criminal charges, 7 counts of rape and 1 of sexual assault, on his visa application. Ghana's government tried to reverse it. They failed. What the Black Stars lose tactically without him. Full analysis at chale.news. On the World Cup stage last night, Messi hat-trick against Algeria on his 200th Argentina appearance, 16 career World Cup goals, equaling Miroslav Klose's all-time record. Argentina are through. Ghana face Panama in Toronto tomorrow, 11 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. No pressure. Something quiet happened that shouldn't be quiet. Former Chief Justice Akuffo has resigned from Ghana's Council of State, and nobody is explaining why. Not the presidency, not the council, not Akuffo herself. Legal practitioner Martin Kapebu called her appointment a masterstroke for democracy. The timing is uncomfortable too. 2 senior EC deputies retire July 31st, and the council has a direct advisory role in replacing them. Speaking of those EC deputies, both gone on the same day, July 31st. Operations and corporate services, both vacant with 2028 on the horizon. The Constitution keeps the Commission functional, but President Mahama and the Council of State need to move. On the CJ Torkornoo removal, former Deputy Attorney General Alfred Tua Yeboah went on Joy News yesterday and said it plainly. The grounds used to remove Chief Justice Torkornoo were too flimsy for an action this serious. He's calling the evidence weak and the process questionable. The constitutional debate is not going away. PAC Vice Chair Davis Ansah Opoku wants Ken Ofori-Atta tried in absentia if he won't return. His lawyer says no formal charges have even been filed. And here's the kicker. The same day this was said, a U.S. court approved Ofori-Atta's green card application. Make of that what you will. This one is heavy. Emmanuel Arthur, 17 years old, a student at Mfantsipim School, died by suicide on June 11th, days before his WASSCE exams. His body was found in an uncompleted building in Cape Coast. A geography mock paper was still in his backpack. Ghana's SHS mental health support system is not adequate. That much is clear. The G7 has now issued its first collective statement on the DRC Ebola outbreak. Over 782 cases, Oxford and Moderna vaccines potentially entering trials in July. The message: this virus must not cross borders. Ghana is watching, and should be. SSNIT boss Kwasi Afrebini is raising a flag on the retirement age debate. Pushing the retirement age beyond 60, he warns, could lock young Ghanaians out of formal employment for up to 7 years. Longer life expectancy is real, but so is youth unemployment. Both have to be in the calculation. Parliament has passed the GIPA bill, a new investment law creating a one-stop shop for business registration and a formal investor grievance mechanism. Presidential assent still needed, but this is a real step on cutting red tape for doing business in Ghana. Accra renters, hear this. Estate agents are charging upfront inspection fees for properties that are unavailable or don't exist at all. No licensing rules, no accountability, and a housing deficit of 1.8 million units means you're vulnerable. Don't pay before you've seen it. Full story on chale.news. Quick alert from the DVLA. Fraudsters are sending fake SMS fine notices with phishing links and fake discount offers. The DVLA does not offer discounts on fines. Their only legit payment channel is ghana.gov.gh. Got one of these messages? Don't click. Report it. And finally, Ghana's flooding problem isn't just about rain. Physical planning expert Mrs. Gifty Nyarko says local assemblies are handing out building permits and never checking compliance, destroying the green buffers cities need to absorb rainfall. Permits without inspections, that's a governance failure with real consequences every rainy season. That's your June 17th morning digest, Chale. Everything you just heard, plus the full reporting, is waiting at chale.news. I'm Nashika. Stay informed.